Welcome to the easiest way for VSP members to use their benefits online. Eyeconic is the only online store where shoppers can see their VSP vision insurance savings as they shop. Single vision prescription lenses are always included in the price you see, so there are no unexpected surprises, just great eyewear and contacts. Speaking of great eyewear and contacts, Eyeconic has over 60 brands you know and love, and virtual try-on to make it easy to find the perfect pair. The best part? The average price for glasses is just $33 for members. And because we care about your vision health, Eyeconic validates all prescriptions, puts all eyewear through a 29-point inspection process, and provides frame adjustments, free of charge. Our pupillary distance measurement tool ensures your prescription eyewear is precisely right for your eyes, whether you have single vision or progressive lenses. Did we mention all orders get free shipping and returns every day? It's so easy to connect your insurance on Eyeconic. Click Use My Insurance, type in your information, and start shopping. See it all for yourself at eyeconic.com.